All right, welcome back. Well, now we're on our book 4, and now we're going to be assembling kit 11, 12, 13, and 14. So this is your next kit. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open all these up, but first, set these aside. I'm going to start with 11, and as always when the video starts, we're going to do a rundown step by step through each page of the book, and feel free to pause and read through each page. Now we're just going to go ahead and flip through this. This is the assembly of the parts. It's going to be each step we're going to be running through. Okay, now we're getting into some literature. So feel free to pause and read through. And then that's the end of the book. So now we're going to go back through and we're going to start by building our kit. So we're going to open up kit 11. Now, in the last video, we assembled this door. So this is what we're going to be using in this kit. So we're going to take the door, lay it paint side down. We're going to take our window here, the side door glass and the vent window, and this will get set right into position right there and be secured down. So we're going to screw that down with 3 screws. It'll be in there just like that. So the screws that hold this in are DS06. Okay, there we have it. Give it a little stress test. So now we have our door and our door glass. A little fun fact, these little vent windows right here are about a little over $500 to $600 a piece on a real car. About what this door cost. Now to the next portion. Next, we're going to take this little hinge mount here. And the little hinge mount will go right here. And this, if you look at it at the top, you'll see the way it's made. This will towards the front. So just sit it right in there like so. Then this will go over top of it. So take that, place it over top of that hinge mount, just like so. And then we'll put the DS02 screws in. All right, now you'll see it's very snug, just like so. So I'm gonna make sure that I've torqued it down good, and I have. Now this right here is complete, so we'll go ahead and we'll set this aside. We'll go to our next kit, which is this. This is number 12. Go ahead and open this up. And then this is what comes in the kit here. And then 2 screws here. And we have our pull handle to release the door lock latch. Okay, so we have this piece here. You're going to take your little pull handle and you're going to fit it inside of that square. So just right in there, just like so, and push it forward. Okay, so there's your pull handle. Then you're going to put a screw in on the back side. So I'm just going to hold it in there just like so. Get one of these screws that's provided. All right, and there we have it in there just like that. Next, you'll take your door panel. On the back side, this right here will slide up in through the hole. So looking at it through the front, you'll have the hole, and then your pull handle will slide through that little hole, just like so, like that, so that you can use your pull handle to open the door. And on the back side, you've got 2 screws that we'll be doing next. And there we have it. So looking at the front, you have your little pocket, and there's your little door pull handle. Now we'll open our next kit, which is this kit here. There's our window crank trim for the door panel. Next, we're going to install our window crank here, and there is a tab right here that will line into place on your door panel. Just like so, just like that. So we're going to hold that into position. We're going to flip it over, and we're going to put PSO4 right there. That's right where it needs to be. So now we have our window. This right here will crank, and your window would go up and down for those who didn't know that. This is the lower trim piece that goes on the bottom. So we're going to take that and sit it right into those 2 little slots, just like so. All right, and then there's 2 screws on the bottom of this as well. Okay, and there's that. So we're going to be placing this. Our trim panel will be onto our skin. So take this right here and our door. You have that fastener, that fastener. You're going to line those 2 fasteners up. Snap it into place. Check, make sure all your gaps look good. And then we're going to be using DS02 screws. Okay, now we have our door trim panel and our inner jamb to our door on our door. Now we have this one piece right here that's left, and it will just pop right into the door and clip in. Okay, so you'll pull the pull handle up out of the way and slide that right into place. And then line up your tabs and then pop them right into place, just like so. Then you can put your pull handle back where it needs to be. And there you have your assembled door. So there's that portion of the kit. The door is assembled. And the last portion of the kit is kit 14. This is the last kit for the video. We're going to take the seat that we assembled in a previous video of the kit. We'll lay it out. We're going to take the top part of the bottom that we just opened and the back part, and we're going to place this little arm into that seat channel opening there, right there, just like so. Just like that. Then you place your bottom right here, and it'll go over top of that. So just like this. And that will allow your seat to move forward at an angle just like the factory did. First, we'll do 1 screw in each corner. So there is 1 seat, fully finished. Just like the factory, when it leans forward, the factory seat will lean forward at an angle for people to be able to access the back of the car. Okay, that's going to be it for the video. We have a full door here assembled, all the panel, and we have the seat. So that's going to be it for this kit. We fully assembled. Now we have this one right here finished. Go ahead, hit the notification bell if you haven't already. You'll be the first to get the video as soon as I upload the next one. And subscribe to the channel as well for content like this and the actual car being built as well. But thanks for watching.